Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to install and use wget to download large files on your Mac. First, open up your terminal. You'll need to have Homebrew installed on your machine for this. You could use Mac ports or download precompiled binaries, but honestly, Homebrew is the way to go. If you're not familiar with Homebrew yet, it's super easy to learn. I've left a link to my Homebrew tutorial in the description below. It's going to save you a ton of time managing software and tools on macOS. Once Homebrew is set up, just type brew install wget. Homebrew will automatically download and install the package for you. Alright, now that it's installed, let's test it out by downloading an Ubuntu file. To use it, simply type the command wget, paste the link of the file you want to download, and hit return or enter. So, where does the file go when it's done? It gets saved right into the current directory you're working from in Terminal. If you're not sure which folder that is, just type the command pwd. You can open up Finder to double check, and you'll see the Ubuntu file has been downloaded successfully. Beyond the basic wget command, there are a couple of useful flags you should know about. First is the -c flag. If you add this, your download will automatically resume if you happen to lose your internet connection halfway through. Second is the -b flag. This runs the process in the background. Once you run the command with this flag, you can actually close the terminal and the download will just keep going. Also, you can add another flag to rename your downloaded file. So, for example, you can name it ubuntu.iso, and the file will be saved exactly under that name. And that's pretty much it. I've just showed you how to install and use the wget package to download files from the internet using the macOS terminal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.